Now, meteorologist Matt Rudkin with Weather 101.
All right, we're still talking about, there's still a lot of summer left, even though we're talking about back to school and things like that.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
Can you believe it's been more than a month now, about 4.5 weeks since the days started getting shorter? Have you noticed it?
A little bit.
Have you just a little bit?
Little.
For 4 or 5 weeks, that's not too bad.
This
I
is
haven't.
not the point where you don't notice it drastically at
right,
this point.
Right, but once we get into August, we start losing 2, 3, and eventually 4-ish minutes a day. That's when you start to notice it. So today, sunrise 6:32 and at 9:10 sunset. Of course, these are Eastern time. Subtract an hour if you live in the Central time zone. By the end of August, you'll notice sun rises at 7:09 and sunsets at 8:20. So August, we really start to lose quite a bit of daylight during each day. And then by the end of September, as we approach early fall, we're less than at that point than 12 hours of daylight. So it's basically August, September, and in the first half of October, you really notice the daylight start to get shorter and shorter. But that's the good news during the summer is you get a really long stretch of a lot of daylight. And in the winter, it's the same thing, just the opposite. We have this big stretch of a lot of darkness, right? Which is why many people aren't real big fans of winter. So we've got that going for us. We still have lots of daylight left, lots of summer left. But eventually, once you get in August, you'll start to notice it. The sun's not out quite as long at night. And in the morning, it's not out.
That makes me so sad.
I know, we put the times up there, and I'm like, you know what? I don't know that it's not that. It's the push to go back to school. It's the fact that you're trying to cram